Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry of Kenya and the Foreign Minister of Trade. Thank you. And enhance Dutch investment in the tourism sector in Kenya.
The people of Kenya, like those of the Netherlands, want their rights as free citizens to be respected and their voices to be heard. I'm pleased that our country's strong and mature relationship allows us to devote attention during this visit to issues like human rights, good governance, and accountability. We're grateful to have the opportunity to discuss the concerns that exist in these areas. Later this morning, at the Ambassador's residence, we will be meeting young Kenyans to hear their views on recent developments.
As we embark on the next phase of Kenya-Netherlands relations, we reaffirm our commitment to strengthening our bilateral ties. This engagement will deepen diplomatic relations, expand economic opportunities, and foster sustainable partnerships. Once again, I extend my very warm welcome to their Majesties and wish them a fruitful, insightful, and memorable stay in Kenya.
And that brings us to the end of this joint press communique. Thank you, Your Excellencies and Your Majesties.